Hey guys. In biology class for Monday or Tuesday, September 8th, we talked about the different parts of the experiment. So if you're looking at like the slideshow that is posted for you, like the Google Slides, that's posted for you in this module. We started at slide 5, and we talked about the independent and dependent variables in the experiment. We talked about the importance of a control group, right? So how it's there to give you something to compare against. The experimental group is the group that you're manipulating it. So in this experiment, this first jar is your experimental group because we put the lid over it and prevent the flies from going in and creating maggots. All right. But the control group allows us to kind of compare the two pieces of meat and helps explain why one has maggots and one doesn't. We then went on to talk about the two different types of data. So the purpose of doing experiments is to collect data. There's quantitative data, which is anything that you can assign a number to. It's like the number of teeth, the length of the skull, things like that. And then there's qualitative data. These are things that you can observe, but you can't really assign a number to, right? So maybe it's the shape of the teeth, where these guys, skull B has pointy teeth and skull A has flat teeth, or how white the teeth are. Both those are observations, important observations, but you can't quite assign a number to it. All right. And then we talked about inferences. So I asked students to look at this diagram, make an inference. Most students assume that made an inference that there's two different animals because you see two different types of tracks. Also, people inferred that they're going to the same place. And then I asked to make an inference now based on this picture. Most students thought that the two animals got into a fight right here, and that the animal that left the blue tracks won the fight, or maybe ate the animal that had the red tracks, because only the blue tracks kind of walked away from that spot right there. All right. So that's everything that we talked about in class. There was no assignment, nothing graded for today, just the presentation. So thanks, guys. I'll see you later.